Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And we say attack. So right about now, people, big social media star, social media giant of recent times, S0LAINE, is fined 120,000 Jamaican dollars for her illegal party or night that was held in Kingston, Jamaica. Oh my word, oh my precious NEWLINK. Well, people, remember them videos there about the whole night thing and what them call party thing, people, and how it go viral and how much people did it. You understand? During the pandemic, during the lockdown, during these restrictions. Well, my viewers and subscribers, the justice system in Jamaica, so look at S0LAINE, you will be charged and you will be fined. So S0LAINE was strapped with 120k. Let me read this thing, my viewers and subscribers. Popular social media personality S0LAINE Anderson was on Thursday reportedly slapped with a fine of 120,000 Jamaican dollar or 9 months imprisonment for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act DRMA. The fine was imposed after Anderson pleaded guilty to the breaches under the DRMA when she appeared before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. The charges laid against the social media figure stem from an illegal party dubbed a birthday party on 9/9 for Anderson, which was held on March 4th. Videos of the event being a blatant disregard for the island's COVID-19 measures emerged on social media that the following day. The news of fine was disclosed by entrepreneur and social media personality Donna Gowie, popularly known as Auntie Donna, on her Instagram live video. Gowie said she will not be bailing Anderson, who she said failed to adhere to her instructions to refrain from staging the party due to the 8 p.m. curfew order and other measures imposed by the Prime Minister Andrew Holness to curtail the spike in COVID-19 cases. Me talk to S0LAINE, who no hype her up, makes you feel like she above law, Gowie said, lashing out at some persons commenting on her live video. Despite her stance, Gowie appealed to her followers and fans of Anderson to assist in helping to pay the fine. If the fine is not paid by the end of Thursday, Anderson will spend time in jail, the businesswoman claimed. Uno help her, me not tell no lie plankers, we stand up for her, help her, Gowie pleaded. Anderson came to prominence after being featured on Gowie's charity program. The two have been friends since that time. Meanwhile, several persons have been calling Gowie with sums of money to assist with the payment of Anderson's fine. Later on the live, an officer contacted Gowie and informed her that they will be releasing Anderson on bail. Further, she will be given additional time to pay the fine. Days leading up to the party, Anderson in a social media video declared that she wanted to see what her night will be like before she died. Jaja. The 5th of March is my birthday, but me I keep my birthday on night the 4th of March because me want to see how my night will look, Anderson stated. Everybody keep them night when them dead. Me I keep my own when me alive. That's why when me dead, who no come keep no more. Just keep set up and bury me. To miss is to this. Right a real boss 100 lane top, she added. Anderson had gained a huge following with her colorful hairstyles, loud fashion, frank persona, and humorous personality. Yo, viewers and subscribers, all me can tell you people is that, boy, only Jah know, you understand. Yo, people, all I can say is S0LAINE. Nothing wrong with what she want to do, people. Keep her night before she dead and so it all look like. But honestly, people, it was the wrong time. You understand? Not in a them time when them have this COVID thing and these restrictions and they know much people are dead from this thing, much people are get ill by this thing. You know, it was totally wrong, people. And me can't support her, you know what I mean, and the people who push her to keep it in that time and them know the whole thing go. Them should deal with this thing better, my viewers and subscribers. So I can't wrong the system, I can't wrong the government, I can't wrong the judge, I can't wrong nobody who, you know what I mean, push the money, put the charges upon her as a 9 months imprisonment. Pay up the fine, man. The same followers them will push her to keep it, and the same people them who did it with her and force her and laugh and drink and eat fish and bread and eat chicken and drink goated soup and this and that. When you come up and chums up your money and, you know what I mean, pay up for S0LAINE because you don't know when you want her out, don't it? So, them say videos of Anderson's party in the corporate area surface showing large crowds singing and dancing to what shall be Nine Night, music in honor of a deceased loved one. Ironically, Anderson was alive taking photographs with her fans as music blared through the night well after Jamaica's 8 p.m. curfew. She shared some of the photos to social media. In one of the videos, hundreds of tightly packed persons can be seen at the venue in a celebratory manner. At the time, several persons condemned the party being held amid the surge in COVID-19 cases. So, honestly, my people, boy, all me can say is, you understand? The system is the system and the truth is the truth. See, which enough people still not gonna agree with it because you don't know, but real people and smart people who have sense are gonna come forward and say, look, it was wrong. It should never keep people because the amount of people when I see this, so, Zine, I couldn't believe so you are really Jamaica this a go on, yeah. S0LAINE, I rate her people. I love her style, I love her vibes, and I love how she does straightforward and she does talk her mind, and but for some people who they run her and push her for those certain things, all I say is I open up can come so boom, chums up the money and assist her in paying this fine. Which don't know so from Miss Dana go live people and do talk about this thing. You understand? You don't know so she will get a lot of help because basically it is the biggest charitable program in Jamaica. You know what I mean? So she will get the help what she want after. And she comes about and them hear the in the article they say a lot of people start calling and ready for assist her. You don't know say 120,000 people, that's basically like 900 US in them sums there, you know what I mean? So them can't come together and pay up the fine, but I hope she do learn from this, you understand? And people need to be smart, need to think. It's not just think about you, say you want to enjoy yourself, you want to have fun, you want to do this, you want to see your own 9 night and everything, you understand? But the people them around you should have come to boom and say S0LAINE and a real level, so we know your birthday and thing come up, but you not go work that way, you understand? It better we do it and we stream a thing live. I don't understand anybody want to be a part of it, then can come in at the Zoom or something. But if you have this thing where people crowd up and like it's a regular 9 night ago on my viewers and subscribers, it was not a good look. Zine and the attacking boss, as me say, me nah support it full force. Me nah people on a straight attack for the people who push her for do it. Straight attack. Me even not to attack her, people. You understand? It's all about the people who are push her and who did push her for do it. So I just hope you can help her up and pay up the money, which as me say, I don't know how much money, I don't know portion of money, so you can do it. So you don't know the thing of my viewers and subscribers, man. The attacking boss there and the NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And we are say more love, more respect, people, and more blessings. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK production. Peace, love, respect, full force, attacking boss.